Meal Prep 101 Tips for Getting Started. Start small. Don't try to prep all your meals for the week right away. Begin with one meal type, like lunch or dinner, and gradually expand as you get more comfortable with the process. Keep it simple. Choose recipes with minimal ingredients and straightforward preparation steps. Complexity can come later once you're more experienced. Plan your meals. Spend a bit of time each week planning your meals. This helps ensure variety and prevents you from getting bored. Also, make a grocery list to streamline your shopping and avoid impulse buys. Invest in quality containers. Good quality, microwave-safe, and freezer-friendly containers are crucial. They keep food fresh longer and make it easy to portion out your meals. Batch cook. Cook large quantities of versatile ingredients like proteins, grains, and vegetables at the start of the week. These can be mixed and matched to create different meals, saving you time. Embrace spices and marinades. These can transform the same base ingredients into a variety of flavor profiles, keeping your meals interesting and palatable. Schedule a prep day. Dedicate a few hours one day a week to meal prep. Make it enjoyable while playing your favorite music or listening to a podcast as you cook. Make use of your appliances. Slow cookers, pressure cookers, and blenders can make meal prep easier and faster. They allow for hands-off cooking, which is great for multitasking. Prep snacks, too. Healthy snacks are just as important as meals. Prep things like chopped veggies, fruits, nuts, or energy balls so you have something to grab and go. And remember, be flexible and forgiving. Not every meal prep will go perfectly. You might overcook something or realize you don't like a certain recipe as much as you thought. Learn from these experiences and adjust for next time.